there's both heads. Well, there's one off the car, one off the engine, both on the bench, all stripped down to an equal level. But I don't know whether I'm happy with how dirty this one is. I've cleaned up all the surfaces for the manifold, the inlet manifold and the exhaust one on the back. I've even done the side too for the thermostat housing. Before anybody was worried, it's only a soft, like a Brillo pad on there. It's not taking any metal off. So if you've seen me also doing the cylinder head block surface, then don't worry about it. It hasn't taken any metal off. It's just cleaned all the junk and all gasket off. So now I'm torn. I don't know whether to, like I said, I'm not happy with how dirty this is. I don't know whether to put it in the dishwasher or not. How much trouble will I actually get in if I put it in the dishwasher? Not much. How much effort is it to put it in the dishwasher? A little bit. But I can seal everything back up properly again. The only thing I'm going to have to do is reuse the seals on the cams, which is a pain. And I could always swap them off the other one, which I know are brand new. But I think it's worth it. So, let's take the cam carriers off, take the cams out, take all the buckets out, and put it in the dishwasher. See if it makes it look a little bit better. Do I really want to do this? Do I really want to do this? I think I do. I think I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Carly, I'm filling the dishwasher.
Yeah, whatever.
Too big. Are these dishwasher tablets? Yes. Boop, boop, boop. Beep. How do you know when it's on? It did press on. Does it start straight away? Oh, there it goes. more sealant on these and seal them down. The dishwasher had done a decent job, not the best job, but it done a decent job. It could probably do with a couple more runs, but I'm not going to bother. It's clean enough for me, I think. It's not as good as this one though. Either way, I'm going to seal these down with some sealant and yeah, put this head back together.
Turn it up now. Turn it up now.
Aha! Spot the deliberate mistake. I've cut that off on this one. So I'll have to trim this off.